Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our Wing Chun training. It's right out of the BUG form from the Gui Ma section. It's defending the hook using a reverse T-step. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your support.
1 to 3, we're going to be taking cross-arm T-cell. Your warm-up is going to be basically very simple. Half step forward, pocket and punch. All I want is a warm-up. We're not going to stay there long. Half step forward, pocket and punch. Half step forward, pocket and punch, okay? That's your warm-up. You're going to line up parallel. And your partner's going to throw a hook off the backhand. So you're going to do a reverse T-step, right? I'm going to come across 1, 2, and come into here. All right, and all I want is a simple belly kick and in, all right? So you guys, 4 and above, going to come across, step with the Pak, into the lop, to the kick. Everybody okay with that? Here, 1, 2, right? Come out with your belly kick. You're going to step with the lop. He's going to Pak. And I just want you to come from underneath. 1 and 2. All right, so again, I'm coming in. I got my 1, 2, my pop, hit, under 1, turn, hit to the side, 2. All right, so you guys are from here. 1, 2, front kick, stay in, lop, right? Come from underneath, side palm, Pak palm. So again, moving off the line, Pak Sao, Lop Sao, front kick, step it in. He gives you the force underneath, side turn, chair turn. All right, go to work. We'll take it the same way. You got your A, your B, you're going to come through, kick, right? Now from here, I want you to just roll this over in the Bong Sao. All right, got that? So I'm going to come 1, 2, hit him, pop. 1 and 2. All right. 1, 2, belly shot. Yun, because if he fires this in here, it's no big deal. And then you're back. Go ahead. He blocks. All right. So you go with that. So it's going to be 1, 2 from here. Take my shot, and I'm going to roll this over into Bong Sao. 1 and 2. You guys all right with that? All right, man. Just give it a little different variable. We do the same thing, except we're going to change the kick up a little bit. So we're going to move that same way. My 1, my 2's coming in, but this time, just turn it to a low side kick. All right, he's going to drop down, kick him back. He throws that punch, back in the Chun Sao, and over the top. All right, so I'm going to come in here for me. I got my 1, my 2. I'm going to take a low side kick. Comes in, Pak Sao, Chun Sao, right? Boom, back over the top. All right, so from here, 1, 2. Low side kick, Pak Sao, Chun Sao, back over the top. All right? What? Sure. $5. $5. 1, 2, knee is right there.
Same low kick. He throws the punch. The right stands across. Right. Okay.
Reality is you step on his knee, that punch shouldn't come. I'm a big fan of you. Might have screwed up, might have slipped, didn't get a good kickoff. So, all right? All right, go to.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.